Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Ornella Christina, where I'll be posting beauty, makeup, fashion, lifestyle. You guys, this is my first vlog since the year started, and I know I look a little homely, okay, with my shower cap, my bonnet. I'm getting ready to go to a yacht party, and I'm so excited. I love yachts, you guys. Like, I live in South Florida, so it's not out of the norm to be on a yacht. It's the most euphoric feeling ever. It's so fun, and get some alcohol involved, like you're on the moon. I love being on yachts. So it's one of my boyfriend's friends' birthdays, and he's a fellow Capricorn like us. So he's having a yacht party and we're invited. I'm getting ready to go on this yacht party, so I already started my makeup. Well, at least started my brows. That's about it. Got my brows done, and I do feel like one of these TikTokers that does a little rush getting ready, like, oh, I only have 7 minutes to get ready. Help me do my makeup and pick out something to wear. So you guys, I'm doing my makeup in the kitchen, okay? Yeah, we still have our Christmas tree up. It's not coming down, not right now. Typically, I'm always working on New Year's, but I got out of that some way somehow. And even Christmas, oh my God, I didn't even vlog anything for Christmas, you guys. And Christmas is my birthday. I didn't do much. I didn't really like celebrate that much. I did spend this Christmas with my boyfriend's family. So yeah, I was just like living. I definitely wasn't gonna do Vlogmas because I don't got time for Vlogmas, and I think you have to be like a more, you know, experienced. Well, you don't have to be like a more experienced YouTuber, but I definitely don't have the time. I was also working during the holidays, so there wasn't much for me to vlog. My foundation is running out, and it's Dior. Now, I have another NARS, but it's like too dark for me right now. It's more of like my summer foundation. So that's not gonna match my skin color. So I'm gonna have to buy a new foundation because this is running out, and I don't think I'm gonna get Dior again. The reason why I got this Dior foundation was because my sister had it on one day and her face looked so flawless, and I was like, what is that? I have to have it. And I went and got it. And it is a nice foundation, but I have to remember my sister's face is like flawless. Like that's why it looks so good on her. Now I have like decent skin too, but I love full coverage foundation. Like, I don't need it necessarily, but I love full coverage because I'm just dramatic, and that's what I love. I'm not gonna do much of anything with my lids. I don't think I'm gonna put any eyeshadow on it because, you know, it's just a day out. So yeah, you guys, let me pick up the pace because I do need to finish my hair, and I'll show you the finished look, okay? So you guys, this is the fit for today. The kimono is from ASOS. The swimsuit set is from ASOS. Bottom is Free People. And the sandals are Zara. So this is the yacht look for today. And the hair is not giving what's supposed to be gave. But whatever.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. My baby, my Valentine. Yeah, now you do make you with temperature the rise. If you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Love it, they don't worry me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your mouth. Nobody they back at this feel. But now make us feel. Yeah, my love one thing. Make a bad man sing. Oh.
It is Monday morning and it's my baby's birthday. Say hey. And we're going to brunch. What's the name of this spot? I'll tell you the name of the spot, but we're going to brunch. Yesterday we had a yacht day and it was super fun, but I drank too much and it's not, like, my body's not taking it well. So I feel a little nauseous still. So I'm gonna take it easy with the eating and I'm not drinking anything today. I probably, I don't know, I probably won't drink anything for the next couple of days. But yeah, just the start of our celebration. Sorry about the hoarse voice, you guys. I'm getting over a cold. So we went to a restaurant called Java and Jam in Las Olas. They're a modern style restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and coffee. They have indoor and outdoor seating. The weather was perfect, so we chose to sit outdoors. My drink of choice was a latte, which was so bitter, hence the face I made. And my meal was a biscuit and eggs, which was shockingly amazing with bacon on the side. My boyfriend had the cinnamon toast crunch chai, which he loved, and a scrambled egg sandwich, which wasn't much to talk about. The biscuits and views won us over though, so we'll definitely be back again just because of that. We went to a restaurant in Miami for my boyfriend's birthday. It's called Dirty French. It's a steakhouse located in the heart of Brooklyn, Miami. It's super cute with French 80s inspired aesthetics, and it's not limited to picturesque decor, but the food is filled with flavor. Every single meal we had was a 10 out of 10. You have to try this place. this to focus. Okay. Hey you guys, it is Tuesday. It's 8:45 and it's the day before we go to Jamaica again. Yeah, we're going to Jamaica again. So we're actually gonna utilize those 2 nights that we had for free because of an incident at the last time we stayed at the resort. So we're gonna utilize that, and we're playing it by ear with the other couple of days. We're planning to stay in an Airbnb. We actually paid for one, but we don't know what's going on with that. We haven't received a confirmation yet. The card has been charged. We haven't received anything from the renter of the Airbnb, so we'll see what goes on with that. I just finished packing. I showered, shaved, washed my hair. You know, I have this face mask on, as you can see, and I'm pretty much gonna, like, you know, mold my hair and then head to bed. So because we have to wake up super early in the morning for our flight. Last time we missed it. It's not happening again. It's not happening again tomorrow. Okay, so we need to make that flight and we want to get some rest. This time we have like an idea of, you know, how we're just gonna go about this stay. Like, you know, the last time we really didn't enjoy it as much as we could have, but our expectations aren't too high this time, so we're just pretty much gonna go with the flow and not expect too much from this hotel. So yeah, you guys, last night when it came to the restaurant we went to, which was Dirty French's, it was so good. The food was good. The waitress was like, you know, we had a couple of waiters and waitresses, like a couple people who came and served our table, but one of them, you know, just seemed like she did not want to be there. I don't know if she just thought that, oh, she's seen a black family in an upscale restaurant and thought nobody was gonna tip her or something, or she just thought we were just gonna be horrible people. But it was just not great. But she came around, you know, at the end, and we had a good time. The food was amazing. The bread with the cream cheese spread was like amazing. So you guys, if you're in Brickell area, Miami, you need to try Dirty French's restaurant. It's super cute. It's an 80s theme restaurant. You know, they got 80s music playing. The whole setup and decor of the restaurant is super cute. I loved it. I give it a 10 out of 10. It was really that good. Yeah. So you guys, I am going to wash this off. I have like 2 minutes before I need to wash it off and head to bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow and keep you posted on what's going on. So see you in the next one.
Have you ever felt alone? Do you still believe in love?
Would you like anything else, Mrs. Scott?
I would like a fruit punch, please. A rum punch, actually.
Right away, Miss Scott. Right away. Here's your pillow.
Thank you.
Not pillows, but towels.
Do you like love? Do you like love? Yeah, me too. What we gonna do? What about?
Hey guys, so we pretty much checked in, but our rooms aren't ready yet. We knew it wasn't gonna be ready, so we literally had our swim clothes on deck so that we can just get settled, because the last time we didn't have those things readily available to to us, and we just kind of had to hang around the pool area or the lobby on the inside, fully closed. So at least this time we knew better to like have our swim clothes. I had that in my purse. So yeah, you guys, I'm just chilling right now. Just chilling, and I'm having a drink. I can finally drink. So we are just like, we have a double bed booked, but hopefully we're trying to get a king bed, and hopefully they can make that work out for us, because my hair is looking crazy, y'all. Yeah, hopefully I can get a king bed. But yeah, you guys, hopefully this trip is a lot better than the last time, because our first resort stay here wasn't that great. I didn't really talk about how bad it was because I was trying to give them a chance, and this is like their chance. We'll see how the stay is opposed to the last day. Alright, you guys, I'll keep y'all posted. Here's a view of pool. Okay. So we have like several bars around here. There's a bar on the inside where my boyfriend went to go get us drinks, and then they have a pool bar, but you literally have to get inside of the water in order to get a drink from the bar. So I think he's trying to avoid that right now. Yeah, y'all, I'm about to have a rum punch and chill in the sun. Sun that beat me out.
Pointless secrets, midnight summer swim, private beach, rock paper silhouette, best out of three. My mama said the greatest thing in life are free. What about lust? What about trust? What about fun? She said, you know that I do. Oh, you do, baby. Hope you do now. Do you like love?
Guys, so this is like casual, so I had to put on a top. I came over here, the titties were like walrus clapping, and I had to put something on. So, but you guys, I'm already kind of feel nice already.
So let's dance a little harder.
Okay. Hey guys, we're headed to, Lord, I hate how my hair kicks up in the back. You guys, we're headed to dinner. This is my outfit of the night. It's super girly, but I'm not keeping these heels on. So the top is Zara, skirt is ASOS, and yeah, that's the look. And the shoes, I don't remember, but they are not too comfortable, so I don't care to remember. So, yeah. You guys, we're the minority here. Kind of boring. I think the first time must have been more exciting because we didn't know what to expect, but now it's like, but we found the club that's here, so, but the club don't open until 10:30. So we're gonna see what this club is all about, but like, so you guys, we walked into like, we walked into a little auditorium where there was a performance, and we found the whole entire resort in the auditorium. We were wondering like where's everybody, because when we went to eat dinner no one was there, but the whole resort was in the auditorium just like in a trance watching the show. They looked like they were hypnotized. It was so weird. But yeah, I guess they're on a schedule. The whole resort seemed like they're on a schedule, but us. You guys, so we just came back from the little club. That was scant, but we had, you know, a good little time. We stopped and got some jerk chicken from the jerk man. There's someone there that until like 2 a.m. so we had to stop and get something, and we are gonna call it a night tonight, you guys. So yeah, good night. I'll see you in the morning. Peace, y'all. It's morning and the view is really nice. It's really nice. So pretty, so pretty. And yeah, we're gonna get some breakfast before they said everything done, because you know Jamaicans, it done, no more. So we need to go get something. I'm trying to lay out on the beach today and eat some more, if that's even possible, because that's all we've been doing is eating. Just eating. All right, y'all, so very relaxed look today. We just gonna get breakfast and come back. Yeah, just relax. It's start raining. It's about to start raining soon. Probably around 2 o'clock. Rain? Yeah. Thunderstorm. Oh, that's why we can go over cat. Yeah. So we can close it on before that. Relax a bit. I like that. I like that. Somebody didn't even know. You guys took over. Hey guys, so we've been chilling for most of the day. After the beach we were just like home. I took a nap, like we're just laying down chilling all day long. So now we're headed to a hibachi dinner, and after that, we don't know, we might go to one of their little clubs or shows or something. But yeah, so this is the outfit. This shirt, I literally just cut this shirt in half. It's my boyfriend's shirt. Regular white tee, Hanes. And this pants is a Goldie. I got it as a birthday gift.
Don't try my, this ain't no Hanes shirt. You don't know what that is.
What?
Gap extension.
Child, okay, so this is a Gap shirt. This is my boyfriend's Gap shirt I just cut. I don't know, he could tell me, he could let me know if he still want it after this crop topness. And pants are Goldie, shoes Gucci, and I have gold accessories everywhere. I have a gold belly chain, gold bracelets, gold choker, gold Louis Vuitton earring. Y'all know the vibe. I always wear these earrings, and these are my everyday jewelry. So this is a look. All right, you guys, see you later.
living me.
Y'all hear him singing?
I got the sweetest song. No sweating though, brother. For the birds in the tree.
All right, y'all, so let's talk about it. We still had fun because we genuinely enjoyed each other's company, and the resort was beautiful, but the customer service of the staff was extremely subpar. Aside from the front desk staff that checked us in, it went downhill from there. The staff at both Breathless and Secrets weren't so helpful or friendly. We waited longer than others for food, or they blatantly ignored us at bars as they served other guests. We bit our tongues the whole time because we kind of expected that treatment based on our experience from our last stay, and we didn't want to be those people, if you know what I mean.
Let's go. Get him, Scott. Get him, Scott. Go, Scott. Get him, Jimmy. Get her, Jimmy. Jimbo. Get her, Jimmy. Warm it up. Throw out, Phil. It's your birthday, girl. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Tanya from Toronto. Have a good one. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. It's all about them people that make us dance move. If you can follow it, follow it. Let's go.
Grab Chinese.
Alright. Let's dip it now. Watch it rock. To the left, to the right. Come on. To the left. Go. Let's go now. Let's go now. Yeah. Return it down. Let's go. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Fireworks, come on. This one is called the I-11. Rolling it up. Yeah. That's it.
We go in a delight, happy nice like it door. Set you on your knee, na fi score. Set the balador when you wine, watch it goal. Girl, you are the queen, and me wife, and me Don't money for your spree, your right for your rule. Could do be free every night, every night. Sachi fi Sachi, Dior fi Dior. Chanel fi Chanel, put a two down a roll. Girl, you hotter than the rest. Girl, you better than the rest. No girl, can't test. Wine for me, baby. Take out your foot away, you have in stop. Tie it on right, and you have in stop. Good, and you have in stop. Tie it on right, and you have in stop. Kick out your foot away, you have in stop. Tie it on right, and you have in stop. Good, and you have in stop. Tie it on right, and you have in stop. So you all the disease, but you got the cure. Circle for the beat, you are right, and be sure. Higher than the eagle, you fly, she a soar. Fashion you a beat, every style in a door. For your little, you a deep, and you know the couture. Search up your body and me boss in a cure. France with a tour, au revoir to the shore. Chanel fi Chanel, with a two to a board. Girl, you hotter than the rest. Girl, you better than the rest. No girl, can't test. Wine for me, baby. Take out your foot away, you have in stop. Tie it on right, and you have in stop. Good, and you have in stop. Tie it on right, and you have in stop. Kick out your foot away, you have in stop. Tie it on right, and you have in stop. Good, and you have in stop. Tie it.
Rest in peace